Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore deal posting etiquette on BiggerPockets, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by familiarizing yourself with the BiggerPockets community guidelines. Take a moment to read the rules related to deal postings. Understand what qualifies as a good deal post. Choose an engaging title for your post that clearly represents the content. Provide a brief overview of the property you are discussing. Include essential details such as location, price, and type of property. Share relevant financial analysis to support your deal. Be transparent about any associated risks. Use clear and concise language to make your post easy to read. Avoid excessive jargon that may confuse newer investors. Encourage constructive feedback and questions from the community. Respond to comments in a timely and respectful manner. Keep your tone friendly and professional throughout the discussion. Acknowledge and respect the opinions of other members, even if they differ from yours. Post updated information if there are changes to the deal. Report any inappropriate comments to maintain a positive environment. Consider featuring success stories from others who have taken similar deals. Promote a culture of learning and sharing by providing resources. Remember that your reputation in the community is built over time. Maintain a positive attitude, even when facing criticism. By following these steps, you can contribute to a respectful and informative space for all members on BiggerPockets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.